Yeah, hi team. Let us start the session. By this session of React material, we will complete our session. Okay. React material. So as I said, React material wise, don't buy hard anything in the components. So whatever the components we are using in the real time, more than that one they are given. Okay. So here is the input components. Okay. Text box, radio button, checkbox, all these things. These are the text display components, avatar, badge, chip. Okay, now these are the feedback. Feedback is nothing but a alert, success, failure, backdrop. Okay, now dialog box, progress box, skeleton, snack bar. Okay, these are the surfaces. Surface is nothing but a background. See, card. We already seen the bootstrap card, right? Paper, yeah, bar, accordation. Next, navigation, moving from one page to another page. Okay, now, or a display. So button navigation, breadcrumbs. Okay, menu. Okay, link pagination. Next, layout. Layout we already discussed. Layout is nothing but the main container. Okay, so some other utils, modal. Okay, so in the surfaces, see we have discussed about layouts. Now let us discuss about surfaces. Surfaces is nothing but on the background. Okay, material surfaces. So what is the material surface is nothing but a background component. A section background components, a specific session. Okay, we know the card, right? How to design a card. So see here, let me create a paper. Okay, here we are using the paper. Paper is nothing but a, so simply it will be display like this. Okay, with some shadow here and here it will be show some shadow. That's it, a paper. Okay, it looks like a card only. Okay, for example, let me go to the app.js. Let me add paper. Okay, let me save this localhost 3000. Let me add content. Content. If you observe right here, I can able to see some paper. Okay, let me say sx is equal to, let me say inner padding 20 pixel. Okay, so this is the what the paper straightforward. Next, so here you can able to see outer frame, right, for that background. So this one, the background shadow, you can able to still elevate it. So here we are having the elevation. Elevation is equal to, for example, 5. Okay, change the background shadow. You can able to still improve 50. 50. Okay, 50 was out of. Okay, so like this. Okay, next, let me change the variant. Variant is nothing but the outline. Variant. So yesterday for a button also we seen the variant, right? Text, content, outline. Okay, so let me add simple outline. So no shadow, only outline. Got it? So if you remove that one by default, it will come up with the shadow. If you say variant only outline, so no shadow. Okay. Next. So here if you are seeing the cutted borders, na, so here simply add a square. Square means no cutted border. Okay. So here paper is nothing but see no cutted edges, no sharp. I mean here it is the sharp edge. Okay, no cutted. Got it. So please take this example. So inside of this one, whatever the content, simply a border it is having with a default radius and a shadow. So paper is nothing but a border radius with a shadow. Okay. Increase shadow. How to increase the shadow? By using the elevation. Elevation. So increase shadow by using the elevation. Next, this one variant outlined. Outline means no shadow. No shadow. Next one is no border radius. Sir, on the top of this one, I want to add more styles. Yesterday we discussed about a styled component. Use that one. For the style, pass this a component and you can able to create your own. SQR is square. Okay, so take this example. Okay, noted. So next one is card. Card also we are going to be used as a background. Same in the bootstrap card, card content, card header, card footer is there, right? Same card control also used for use for a specific section container. So it will inherit the specific content. Okay. So here what we are going to be use, right? Card header. Okay. So for example, you have any image, simply card media. Image is nothing but a media. Okay. So content, card body here it is nothing but a card content. Okay. So for example, I want to create action buttons. Card actions. So like this, we are having the specific sections to be added. Okay. So let me see here. So here, let me create a card hyphen component dot JSX. Okay. Export function card component. Okay, so let me return. So simply here I'm going to be create a card direct components. Okay, this card contain a card header. Okay, header. Next card content. Okay, here content. For example, you have the image where I need to add a image. Na? Image. So any images references are there? No. But how to add? Card media. Okay, images must be added under here. Okay, so like this we need to be create a card. So card is nothing but it also same like a paper. Come up with a box with a rounded edge and a small background. Okay, so let me call this one card component. So here I'm not explaining the functionality because we need to know the components. Inside of the components, how you are going to be implement, you know already. Correct? Here you can do it, right?
Sir.
So see here, this is your card. Let me add some break tag. Sorry, app.js. Let me add some break tag. Okay, no? So this is your card, same like your bootstrap card. Okay. So here also you can able to mention so outline same like here. Here you can able to mention variant. Where is my card? Variant outlined. Okay, it's look like a simple, no shadow. It will remove the shadow. That's it. Okay, just take this example. Okay, so next pop-up or dialog box. Dialog box or pop-up. So we know, right, how to create our own dialog box or a pop-up, correct? What is the purpose of a dialog box? Display content as a pop-up or flyout. We can able to use the pop-up. Okay. So let me create a component dialog box dot jsx. Okay, export function dialog box component. Why I'm adding a component? Already have the predefined dialog box, so that is the reason. Dialog box. So let me return. Okay. Simple. Let me return. Have the simple dialog also. SIM PLA simple. Simple dialog is not there. Okay, I will use the dialog only. Dialog. Dialog means by default it will not open. You need to be open, right? So it is having the open is equal to true or false. From where you need to be pass? Pass from your child component. Okay. So here you can able to design some dialog. Okay, is equal to rand. Some random text I'm taking. Dialog. The title. So title bar. So title. Next dialog. Action means you have the action button. So let me add the content. Okay. So this is my content. Let me save where I need to go. app.js. Let me add dialog box component. Okay. Return is not defined. Where?
Return spelling is wrong.
Return. RETURN return. Okay, simple dialog. Are you able to see? Yes, sir. But how to open and show, right? Simply you need to be passed true or false. Okay, here you can able to define a close action button also. Okay, so true or false. Here I'm saying a true. From where you need to be passed this true. Either destructor properties or props. Props dot open. Open. Sorry. Here, right? Props dot open. So how to pass this one, you know. Okay, from here you need to be passed. Open is equal to create a button on the top. When you're clicking on the one, set a state variable true or a false. So I'm directly assigning a true. So you can see if I pass a false, when I clicking on again, if I pass false, I can't see it. Got it? This is the way we need to work on the dialog box. Okay. So simple. So here simple add content. Are you clear? Any confusion? So take.
No, sir.
Okay. Good.
సార్ ఇది కస్టమ్ కంట్రోల్ కాబట్టి ఇది డైలాగ్ బాక్స్ లేకుండా అలర్ట్ గా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా మనం
Alert మళ్ళీ అలర్ట్స్ ఇచ్చాడుగా. So on
ఇది
the you miss it 10 minutes, right? So at the when I discuss.
ఓకే
So note down, I will explain you again that 10 minutes what I explained. Okay, noted. So don't note this content, just note this outer structure. Done?
Sir.
Okay, what I'm explaining at the start, right? This is your components. What type of components in a input to components? Text box, radio button, check box, switch. Next, a display component. The content display. Okay, na divider, icon. Okay, chip, batch, avatar. Okay, next, a feedback. So feedback alert, you are asking this one, right? Dialog box. You want to prompt a user to ask something. Okay, na take some inputs. So feedback, alert to backdrop, dialog, progress, skeleton. Next, surfaces, paper, card we have discussed. Navigation, menus, okay, all these things. So layout. Layout already we discussed yesterday. So your question is the alert. Alert is nothing but straightforward. They will give the alert component. Alert component. Okay, severity is nothing but a success. Severity, warning, error, info. That's it.
ఓకే
Okay. So for example, icon also. We already added the React material icon. So you can design this one. So Let me go to the app.js. Let me say alert. Okay, imported alert component. Next, severity, success, warning, error, failure. So let me show you the green color. Same, that 7, 8 type of severity success. The next icon. Icon is equal to check. See here, check circular, checker, something different. So material icons is coming the reference, right? Okay. So let me add the check. So font size means normal. Check icon, check circle I have added. Where it is displaying. Content is not there, na? How it will display? Content. Still it is compiling. Wait. So any type of the situation, here we have the plenty of the components. This much of time compilation, why? So I think we are using the just material icon, right? I thought it is getting compiling.
ఛాన్సే పడుతుంది సార్.
I don't know. So here you seeing the one word called Babel, right? So this is one of the interview question. Babel is by default React. Once you are creating the React project, na npx create React project. So Babel is nothing but a transpiler. Okay. So transpiler is nothing but a, right? It's a compiler. It is a conversion. Okay. So simply currently we are using the ReactJS code. It will be compiled and run by using a Babel. That question also please take it. So next one is the Webpack. See finally. Here you can see, right? The success. So for this one, add position fixed left to top and right. So this instead of here, it will come in the this position. Okay.
Okay.
So for that one, you can able to create a styled alert. So passing the position fixed those things. Okay. Next, we have seen the two words, Babel. So Babel is nothing but a transpiler. Babel is a transpiler. Transpiler. Transpiler or transpiler? TRANS. Transpiler. This is only the correct. What it will do? It will converts. It will converts source code to browser understandable code. It will convert your source code to browser understandable code. Okay. So it is a ReactJS inbuilt feature. Okay. So where this Babel work, you are having the JSX, right? The JSX browser does not understand. So our node compiler will compile. But node compiler also will not compile. While Node.js is nothing but a common framework to compile. So that is the reason in the ReactJS they are using the Babel. This Babel will convert the JSX code to HTML. Then the final it will be converted to browser understandable files. Okay, na? So next one is the Webpack. Okay, leave some space. I will explain the Webpack now itself at end of the session. Okay. Okay. Progress bar. They are simply providing the progress bar component. See, circle progress like this. Okay. So variant determined value. So something. How much value? 25, 50, 75, 100. 100 is nothing but a completed. Or else simply say progress. It will be still show. Okay. So see here. Linear progress. Circular progress is nothing but this circular. Linear is nothing but a straight line. Linear with color. Okay. Next. Next, display. Display already we have discussed yesterday. Chip, right? Chip is nothing but a small container. So when you are having the collection of items, then you need to use the surfaces. Okay, a small item to display, then simply use for this display data display. Say like this chip. Okay, label is nothing but this is the label it is showing. Okay, you can do it, right? Here same thing. If you want to explain, same way. I want to create a chip label, click something. Okay. So you can do it or you want me to explain here? Everybody so silent, yeah.
Regarding this.
Yes.
No, we can do this.
You can, yeah. Please unmute yourself. If you're not able to do, I can able to explain. Here nothing is there. Simply you need to be type the chip. You need to be provide a label. Chip imported label. Okay. But don't use the 100% material. Try to use the JSX code with the material and use the bootstrap code with the material. So because already told you, material definitely it will take a time for the compilation. Even material having, see, once it is compiled, right, it will have the too many classes. Okay. So see here, inspector. So this is the alert. Bootstrap also straightforward providing the alert class, alert hyphen success. Na? So see, this is the alert. See how many classes are added. Okay. Multiple classes will be added. Those multiple classes has to be rendered. Okay, definitely at a certain point of a time, if you're using the pure material, pure React Bootstrap, right? Normal Bootstrap, React Bootstrap, different. Pure material, pure React Bootstrap, somewhere it will be down the system. So whatever not possible in the normal boot classes and whatever the easy, got it? So whatever the easy, not for you. Remember, the easy in the sense not for you, for a system. Okay, whatever the component you are able to manage easily, that component only do it. Okay, dialog component. It was good in the material. Simple unit will pass and it will work. Okay, so card bootstrap was enough. Okay, na simple they are giving the card. Next, let me go to the input controls. Autocomplete. Autocomplete, once you type, na, it will display. So like this, movie, Godfather. So how to do this one? Simply autocomplete. ID give it options. You need to be provided a list of options. Okay. So what is the label here? Movie. This one, render input. You need to add this render input also. So only the thing is auto Autocomplete imported. Yes. Next ID they given options. Options in the form of array. So let me give constant options is equal to tell me Kalki Bahubali. Okay. Next label mode. Text field is not defined. Okay, text field is nothing but a text box. So text box, while you are typing the text box, text field. Okay, I have imported. Text field is not defined. Okay, still is text field material UI imported, right? Text field, expand the code, text field from reacted text. Okay. Okay, I think we need to prepare a label. So I need to prepare as an object. Label. This is your label. Label is nothing but the label it will be bind. So label comma year they added. Year. Okay, instead of the year something you can say year also. Or ID also. ID colon 1. Okay. Here also. Label colon ID colon 2. Okay, but label is the common one. So see, Kalki. Got it? Bahubali. Okay, autocomplete. So you for these type of the components you can work it. So movie, it will show the scene, nice label. Okay, if I say ABC, it will show the ABC. That is ABC. Got it? So if I want to close it. Autocomplete we can able to use from the material. So these are the simple ones. Okay, already we seen the text field. The text field is nothing but input type text box. Button yesterday we seen. Button group is nothing but a collection. Okay, for the checkbox also. They given see. When I clicking on here, observe something background on the drop, right? Got it?
It's a shadow.
Shadow. That is the reason we are using the material. That's it. Bootstrap is providing when I click, it will show it. But the shadow like a water drop. It's like a go. Okay. So simple. Checkbox. So if you have the label, add the label here. Okay, label is nothing but to show something here. Otherwise, nothing. Okay, straightforward. So see here, label they added. Okay, this is one more way. Using the form control. Here they are showing like a checkbox. Otherwise, we can say each one is the form group and form control label. Here you can able to specify the label. Okay, either try this one or this one. Anything can be fine. Two are the different ways to use the form control. Okay, next size. Okay, next color. Color is the same for any type of control. Okay, same in the form control they given. You understand what is the difference between form control and checkbox? Either you can able to use the direct control, or there is one more component called as a form group and form control. Okay, so that also you can use, no issue. Okay. Next radio, same like a checkbox radio. It also having the drop. That's it. So radio group, I have the radio control. So direct radio also you can able to use. Okay. So what I'm explaining, for example, I want to create a form. So inside of this form, let me create a form group. You remember, for a parent div, we are adding a form group in the Bootstrap, correct?
Yes, sir.
Form control for a form control or control label. So here I can say control is equal to, so this one, radio. Okay, So here I can able to say label is equal to radio, or you can say male or female, na? Select. That's it. Okay, that's it. So instead of the radio, you can able to use a checkbox. So direct you can able to create a checkbox and radio, or you can say like this type of components also. So instead of the radio button, checkbox. So what happens? Checkbox is default checking. Check a small box, a capital box. Small box. Here capital box. Okay, I think capital box is there. That is the disabled one, I think. Checkbox. Okay, we should be more care like this. Okay, so like this form control, if you want to go with, you can. Otherwise, sir, I will use the direct checkbox. Yes, you can able to use the direct checkbox and pass a label. That's it. Okay. So text field, we already seen, right? Just a text field. The autocomplete. See, I want the outlined, variant outlined. So like the shadow, simply variant filled. So only this is the standard one without any outlined. Okay, variant field is this one. So text field already we are using here, na? Okay, it will imported all.
Sir, variant field is like a placeholder. Yes.
No. Label is the placeholder. Variant is nothing but a property. For a box, for each and every component, we are having the variant. You remember? So we have discussed card also. Card also having a variant. Paper also having the variant, like outlined. So this variant is the common for all the components. Okay, na? So variant is
Okay,
nothing
sir.
but it will define the border. Okay, but placeholder is nothing but a label. Okay, so see here. So field is coming, right? That is the placeholder. Once I type, it will go. Once if I remove, it will be come back. So if you observe the beautification, how easily it was going and coming in. But as a developer, if you design such a cases, it was very tricky.
Nice.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the smoothness of going, coming, that is the reason we are using the material. So material means it was good for the input controls. Display controls, anything you can able to use. Bootstrap, normal bootstrap classes, better to use. Remaining controls. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes.
Material, are you clear, everyone? Any questions?
Yes.
Can you do remaining controls?
Yes, sir. We can practice.
Yes, sir.
Can I take it here? స్కిప్ ఏం చేయట్లేదు కదా అక్కడ ఏముంది ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అవతార్ వాడాలంటే అవతార్ ఇమేజెస్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి అవతార్ కాంపౌండ్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేస్తావు ఎస్ఆర్సి ఇస్తే ఇలా ఇమేజ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఓకేనా సో వన్స్ యూఆర్ లాగిన్ వాస్ డన్ యూజ్ ద అవతార్ కాంపోనెంట్ ఓకే అవతార్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ రౌండెడ్ ఇమేజ్ దట్స్ ఇట్ okay next sometimes other than this one we need to use the third party components okay webpack I will at the end I will explain you for example I want to show carousel you know right carousel is nothing but a movement or navigation in the Flipkart
sir.
it is there the carousel
Right.
yes sir this carousel is there na but how to implement such a case sir? Simply npm react carousel okay already these type of things if you say npm all these are the third party okay so responsive carousel open this one he will give one command npm I react to response copy this one okay he will explain the code also what you need to do it okay so let me come here this is my material na cmd code space dot press enter. అరే ఈ కోడ్ అలవాటు అయిపోయింది, ఈ కోడ్ స్పేస్ డాట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. సారీ. So I added 3 packages. Okay. So let me create a carousel.js. Okay. Simply they will give the code also. So this code. So he given the class component. Perfect. Any component, no worry. Okay. So carousel already we have added. Yes. So we don't have the images, correct?
Yes, sir.
Download the image. Otherwise it will show alt something. Alt already added. Alt is nothing but alternative text. img1. If image is not downloading, then alternative text will show. img. So tomorrow in the React, you require something if you don't know how to implement. So how to type, for example, tell me npm React pagination. Okay, type like this. So definitely for every concept, there is some library. That is the reason on the first day of session I told you React support hundreds of libraries. These are third-party library. Okay, na, like Krishna, Guru Raj Prasad. You can able to implement and add here. Okay, na, we can do. So I also try to do. I'm also thinking to do at least add one package. One of my friend also did the same. Here we can do it. You can sign up and you can able to register in the npm and add it. So these type of the things. So demo carousel. Okay. So it is not exported. Let me export the export extend the component. Extend the component React. Okay, everything was perfect. Go to app.js. Demo carousel. Okay, why? So see here. Got it? Moment, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, add image. If I add the image, you can see nice carousel. Okay, let me add image. It will take 5 minutes only. Na? Or else, here you are having the carousel. They're not added any images. Okay, so these images we should be designed as per the resolution. Okay, so if I will add some image means it will not work. Okay, where to add src? Here let me create a folder called assets images. Control. Assets slash dot slash the reference is not coming. Let me import img1 from dot slash assets slash images slash download.jpg. Okay, so let me add src. So here also let me add src. Let me add src. Okay, same image I'm using. Okay. Import IMF from the default exporting module. Only default export is okay. He's saying about default. Whenever you are having the default issue, remove that braces. Ochina? So if you don't have the legend, remove it. So here I can able to have the now. Now are you satisfied? Now good na? Okay, here also if you observe, there is a navigation. Okay, so if you need to come here, by default it will not show. When you come here, you have the navigation. Okay, so 3 of 3. So all the features are there. Okay, because user will not navigate, user will go first like this. Second, this is the priority. Third, next user will go by using this one. So not only this carousel component, we have the so many different types of carousel components. Okay, now click on back. Responsive multi carousel, carousel. Okay, pure React carousel, better React carousel. So different peoples are developed and added in the NPM. Okay, so see here. So here is the navigation, here is the movement. Okay, so here is the mobile. So what we need to do? I need to install this one. Okay, copy this code, direct straight forward, carousel item. It will work. Okay, so NPM. See, this was developed by the NPM. No, same like you and me, some developer developed this one. Okay, so 2 years ago somebody was added. Can we see the information about him who added? Okay, Git repository also is there now. Git here div panther. He is the person. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So div panther, somebody was added this one. Okay. So NPM, those people will check again. So it is the licenses of the MIT. As a developer, we will get a MIT license. This NPM will give this one. Okay. So the like this we can able to build any type of. Okay, development everything was complete. Got it? How to add any third party library? So leave some webpack space. Adding any third party library. How to add? Search in Google with npm react library name, and they will provide a link to install. Please install. That's it. Okay, na? Are you clear? How to use the third party libraries?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
any
sir.
library, just
Yes, sir.
search in the Google npm space. Okay. Even for example, autocomplete. Can I have any third party library? Yes, sir. npm react auto complete. So our team saying like don't use the material. In that situation, how to implement autocomplete? So like this, just a set shift. Okay, React autocomplete, React search autocomplete. They will give the demo that images also. Okay, so simply use this one. You can type. Okay, autocomplete. But you need to install this one. Okay, remember this is not from a React company. This is not from the NPM also. NPM is the place to get different types of items. So here is the CSS. He will explain about all the properties what he has used in this React. Okay, na? I mean the feature. Okay. Next, once my development is completed, I want to build the project. How to build? This is the command. So my application is completed, right? So here Webpack compiled with one warning. What is this Webpack? Now I will explain you. So finally, let me close by run the npm run. What is this command? Build, build, build. So let me build my entire solution. Okay, you know the Jenkins, right? In the Jenkins, we are configure this command, not npm start. npm start for you, developer to work, npm run build. So see here, it is starting the build and adding the files. See, Babel, again, Babel is coming to the picture. Babel is parsing it. Babel means it is transpiling. Okay, once Babel is completed, Webpack is nothing but it will pack all your items to a single bundle. Okay, so here is the Webpack. What is a Webpack? Webpack is a bundler. So it's a module bundler. Okay, so what it will do? It will bundle the dependency files. Okay, all the files, whatever you have developed, dependency files. So Babel and Webpack is the inbuilt feature. Babel will be transpile, convert your React code to JS code. So it will convert your JSX code. So Webpack is nothing but it's a bundler. See, I will show you the bundle. But it will take at least a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, done. Okay. So the build folder is ready. In the Angular, they will say dist folder. So see the build folder. Static means it will add the media images. Okay, it is converted image. Don't worry about it. Okay, JS file, CSS. Okay, let me show in the material build folder. So finally, you have how many index.html file? One index.html file. Let me run this. No, it will not work. Okay, no, don't worry, it will not work. When it will work? Once you deploy into the server only, it will work. Okay, but if you remember, while we were discussing at the time of the SCSS, HTTP server, you remember?
Yes, sir.
HTTP hyphen server
Watch.
hyphen p watch.
3000.
HTTP hyphen server watch unda leda?
Watch లేదు.
లేదు. Okay, so see here. Let me say, oh, good. మీకు ఎట్లా గుర్తుంది? 3001. Okay, now it will work. Okay, remember this one. This is a secret. So sometimes we feel like it's not work. Yes, if you run the physical file will not work. You need to be run like this because it's a server deployment. How to make it is run? If anybody don't know. So how to bundle? Build application using npm run build. So what it will do? It will generate chunk chunk files. So simply we're calling it chunk files. We name it chunk files antar. These files are called chunk files. Chunk kaadu chunk. Okay. Okay. So run chunk files local. How to run? Install http hyphen server. Then install chesi. Then you can able to run the command. Sorry. What is that command? http hyphen server. How to install? npm install hyphen g http server. npm install hyphen g global install. Otherwise, it will install to that application. Another application you can't able to run it. Hyphen p 3001. Okay. So this we are going to be configure. Which one? npm run bundle, npm run build is configured in the Where? CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD pipeline is nothing but it will open the command prompt by itself. Open chesi command paste chesko run chesko. Auto runner. So it will use the PowerShell command. PowerShell means it will run automatically. Okay. Any questions, team? So now which files you need to be checking? Chunk files you need to be checking or your code files?
Chunk files.
Code files we need to be checking. But in your application, in the server, CI/CD pipeline is not configured. At that time, initial days, not now, I think 6 years back, we are doing somebody. Once the development, everything is completed, one person will generate these chunk files and check in. Got it? ఒకళ్ళు కూర్చొని చేస్తారు ఈ chunk files. npm run build చేసి ఇవి check in చేస్తారు. Okay, but we need to be do only code files to be checked. So this is your index.html. Already I have explained you minification. Remember, minification is nothing but removing a white spaces. Epudu third session, while we are discussing about bootstrap min.cs file. So it is the minified files. Okay, the size also very less. Okay, ఇక్కడ చూడండి HTML ఏముంది simple head section meta and body with a ID root. That's it. Now the system it will take care. Okay. So that is about our sessions, team. So any questions?
For this batch, we
So-
have more videos.
Yes. So definitely this batch, where is my React batch? 19 playlist. So compared to different
18
batches.
playlist, different batches, we have
19.
more.
So
videos.
by today it says 60 videos. That too, each day we're spending more than an hour. Correct? 1 hour,
Yes.
15
Yes.
minutes, 10 minutes,
Yes.
sometimes 1 hour, half an hour because of your interaction. Okay. So definitely the content delivery, definitely it will leads by the, okay, the attendees only. Okay. So most of the persons here has the more interactable. They are giving the things that deliver. So it will depend on it. మీరు ఎలా interact అవుతున్నారు నాకు అలానే interest. So by today from my side I was successfully closing this today. But closing means so it's not about to close the batch. Okay, no, still be in a connect with me. If you have any questions, suggestions, let me know. And so don't forget to refer your friends. Okay, na? So in the future, okay, instead of sharing your videos, so please refer to me. Okay. So any other questions, team? So can you please unmute yourself
Sir.
and go ahead one
Sir.
by one person?
సార్ రికార్డింగ్స్ మేము ఉంటాయి
Yeah,
సార్
ఈ recording you have the permanent access. First లో చెప్పాను మీకు ఉంటాయి. Okay, na? No issue. After 2 years, 3 years also you will have it. Okay.
Okay.
So after sometimes 3 to 4 years later, somebody will call, sir, recording was not good. Boss, log in again. Okay, refresh your system. Okay, now I got it, sir. Okay, so no issue because it's a content. Definitely some concepts were tricky. That is the reason I'm giving you. But everyone, please don't share. Keep with you, but refer me the persons.
Sure, sir.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
please go ahead and unmute yourself. So Srikanth, మీరు తక్కువ మాట్లాడతారు కదా, అట్లీస్ట్ unmute now in the last session and so add everyone please unmute and add experience one by one. Let's start with Prasad. Yeah, Prasad garu.
బాగుంది సార్ యాక్చువల్గా నేను నెట్లో కూడా కొన్ని చూశాను మీరు
Can you go with
రాకముందు.
English? So somebody was referred, different.
Okay. Sorry. It's actually good. Yesterday, I mean, prior to this one, I have gone through some videos, and still it's okay. But after seeing this class, and it will be more fetching for me. And one more thing, being an experienced person, right? So whatever the Krishna's told, it's really good, and some real-time experience of information he has provided. I really like this class, and I will refer my friends. That's all from my end.
So what can we improve? So improve we will take at the last. Yeah.
Okay.
Gopi?
Hi,
So
sir.
add the real only what you felt. That's it. Because I don't have the too many of the viewers in my channel. View this.
Sir,
That to this
honestly
private.
telling you, it's a very good, sir. The only one thing is I did not practice this because of my timing, and I will definitely give an update once I am done. Maybe it will take 1 month to complete this entire thing if I sit together.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely I'll call, and I will update in the YouTube, or else I will directly call and you can record my voice.
Okay, sure. No answer. Yeah,
Okay.
hi Gopi.
Hi, sir. Actually, that React, I understand very good. You
Gopi, you're
explained.
from the Chennai, right?
Yes, no, yes, sir. Coimbatore.
Okay.
React explained very good, sir. You explained that real-time scenario and building in the real.
Not in the prospect of classes. So how it was using for you? You already working in a React,
No, sir. I'm working in WordPress, sir.
WordPress. Okay, so definitely we'll switch on the React.
Yes, sir. That,
Okay. Good.
Sir,
Shrikant.
even sir, 1 second.
Yeah, Lakshmi.
Sir, వర్డ్ ప్రెస్ ఐ మీన్ నవడేస్ చాలా వినిపిస్తుంది. అంటే వర్డ్ ప్రెస్ అనేది ఐ మీన్ ఇస్ ఇట్ ఏ రైట్ అప్రోచ్ టు బిల్డ్
Yes,
వెబ్సైట్?
to build a small cases application,
ఎందుకంటే
you can able to use the
ఇన్బిల్ట్
WordPress. But what is the
Okay.
technology was developed the WordPress? ReactJS. So using the React only,
ReactJS.
WordPress was developed, but because of some issue between the WordPress and React team, the companies they go to the different technology for the background build. Okay, at that time they have the Apache license who React people. So once they lost this WordPress, okay, no WordPress initially built with React only.
ఓకే
Yeah, Shrikant,
ఓకే సార్.
you
Yeah,
want
it
to
was
add
nice. We బాగా అనిపించింది సార్ మాకు the way of explanation, examples తీసుకోవడం.
So almost you are joining daily, right? But Shrikant be quiet in the session and he was listening, and correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shrikant always silent. But,
Yes. So I'm daily I can see him. See, sometimes by the voice only I can able to recognize who is attended, who is not attended. But Shrikant daily will join, even if you join or not.
yes, that is. I
Okay.
agree.
He was very
Not only here, in previous career also, but he will be so silent, but he can add multiple projects and multiple things, not only in project level, but he can handle. But always he's silent.
Okay. Yeah, Krishna, add your point.
Yeah, for me, sir, it is actually I'm for your class only. I started learn on the US side, but I have experience in JSP side. But really, but these frameworks and all, I mean these technologies and all, but I started. But really, I didn't practice any one single program as till now because of I can't say time issue, but definitely that is a problem for me. So that is a big issue. Otherwise, I will practice. But I have to start after our session is closed, right? So I have to start. I have to use the same time to practice on this.
Yes.
So
Keep the
really, I
same
appreciate
time on.
that.
See,
Yes, sir, that's what
definitely we're thinking about a time will not come. But see, almost earlier by the same time you are using for different purpose, right? The same time. So
Yes,
now
sir, yes, sir.
once the session was started, now you all people are dedicated to 1 hour for this ReactJS. So like this, spend 1 hour for any other technologies also.
Yeah, sir. We have to actually our side we have own framework with the same technologies. But we don't use directly on
that is fine. Company wise, okay, they will give
yes,
it.
Sir. But definitely it will good workful for me to learn, and I'll get a chance to work both the sides. So in our team, we have only one full stack developer, Java and front end actually.
So now you will
So
become a full stack.
Not now, but otherwise we are permanent employees. Very few less are in answer.
No. If you want, you also become a full stack by a developer
Definitely,
from tomorrow. But
my aim also
you will not take the
yes.
responsibility. Why we have the more work? That is the reason.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you so
Guru
much,
Raj.
sir.
So Guru Raj,
yes,
so
sir.
currently you are working, no? Not you're not one.
So no, sir. Actually, I'm currently not working now. Like I got like before joining this VKC Institute, I tried lot of institutes, taking demo and attended the course also, by joining. But it was very difficult for me to understand the concepts related to JavaScript and React concepts. And even I tried in YouTube and so many faculties giving the demo suggestions related to programming concepts. But what you thought, it's totally different, and it made me very confident, sir. The concepts wise, how to build this applications, everything every day, from the day one, how when you started the class, I started practicing all those concepts. So now I got a lot of confidence by practicing. If I compare to other faculties in YouTube and other websites, I feel you guided very well, sir, with very interactive. Even the person who don't know anything from any other background can able to understand what you thought the concepts. It's I really like that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So there is a word, for example, teaching prospect too. There is my guru. He will suggest me how to teach. He has the 20 years of experience in a training of a testing in the Hyderabad. He told me, so you will have the 10 members, 5 members, or 100 members. But the final means only one person is the attendee. We need to satisfy that person. Okay. See, in this batch, I want to satisfy each and every person. But compared to others, Guru Rashi. So he's the first joiner and first paid, and daily he will join without missing each minute also. Before me, he will join. Okay, so I thought, see, each and every batch, there is a one person. We need to satisfy that person 200%. Okay, so sometimes one person will join, two-person will join. Okay, in the session. So without hesitating, as a trainer, see, remaining people are following the recordings. Almost we have the 16 members this batch. 8 members are joined, means almost 50 members are following the record because of the health issue, because they are in the back, because of the project. Okay. But even I need to be considered whoever is joined. So that is the reason I should satisfy one person also coming to the session, and up to the last day of the session, we need to be satisfied that single point. So I thought you are that person. I need to be satisfied.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I am really satisfied, sir, because
Okay.
it
So
was
after
very
this one,
difficult
you
for
will
me.
get it. You add your resume. You already added your resume.
I need to prepare, sir, now everything
Okay, please be prepared.
yes,
So
sir.
send to me, and whoever is, I mean, Prasad and 1 or 2 members are actively sending the openings. Please send to me. So definitely it will helpful for others who is looking for a job. Okay. So and you have my Insta, na? VKC underscore tech underscore updates. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, you have that one, right? VKC underscore tech
Yes, sir.
underscore updates. Please share your openings. I will post there. So there I will add only my reference, my batch students or somebody, okay, who is looking for the active job. Okay. So finally, let me
Sir,
go to the three. Let me
please.
complete with the 3 persons. Yeah, Lakshmi, Padma, and Shravanti. So Shravanti, hope before you are joining the Angular, right? So Shravanti
Yes,
joined
sir.
with the Angular. Once we are at the last 2 days of session, you got a job, I think. So last
Yeah.
week. So at the time you are in a period. This time also, so you are looking for a change. You also will get a definite job. Okay, sessions are completed. Go to Shirdi. But once she got the job, right? She informed me first to me only. Okay, and this first and last student who sent the seats to me personally. So others will say thanks and they will go off. That's it. Okay, but this time also, but earlier you are practicing more, but this time because of your some responsibility, I know you have the little lag, but start it.
Yes.
Okay, so if you have any question, doubt, confusion, also let me know. Okay, so yeah, Lakshmi. So
Sir, as I
so
already shared my experience with the
yeah.
previous
So now
institute.
you are confident, Lakshmi. So while you are joining, you have the so many confusion. You have paid 2 to 3
Definitely,
persons
sir. For
differently.
everything, yes, yeah. For
Hmm.
everything, I have got complete clarity, and even I'm satisfied with your sessions also, because previously I used to, I have doubt. I used to doubt for myself whether I can get into this IT sector because previously I had this non-IT experience, right?
So I told
Due
you,
to
complete
some,
this session and interview. After 2 to 3 interviews, you will get a job.
yes, sir, definitely. I mean, actually, I mean, lack of practice, but definitely I'll get in as soon as possible. I'll get into this IT sector only.
Okay, so now you build a confidence. So I told you the
Yes, sir,
same, right?
definitely.
So
Yes.
these are
As
the
you said
private
that
video only.
first you
Add
I
your.
can.
This is the private
As you
recording.
said
I'm not
that.
posting this as a public. Tell me what real fact.
Okay, sir.
Oh, tell me, you got it compared to the previous?
Yes, sir, definitely. For each and every
So
concept
now you will
also, when
be,
I
you will
compare
not
to
go to the
myself,
non-IT
no,
again.
I'll not go non-IT again. Definitely, I'll get into IT only.
So on that day, you told me like, no, I want to go to the non-IT.
Sir,
I was not
whether I'm in a confusion, sir, whether I have to go back or search job in the same domain or shall I get into
So
this
now
IT
it
sector?
can be
I'm
late
very confused
one
on
day.
it. There is
ఒక
no
రోజు లేట్
confusion.
అవ్వచ్చేమో కానీ కంపల్సరీ మీరు కొడతారు. సో కంపల్సరీ నేను
Yes,
చెప్పిన
sir.
విధానంగానే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. నేను చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అదే విధానంగా ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. సో డెఫినెట్లీ దే విల్ ఫీల్
Yes,
లైక్
sir.
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. ఓకే,
Yes, sir.
సో రెజ్యూమ్ అయితే
Yes.
పెట్టేయండి, మీరు పెట్టేసుకొని మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోండి.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే, సో
Thank you
ద
so much,
ఫైనల్
sir, once
పద్మ.
again.
యా పద్మ. Padma, you are on mute. Okay, she has the mic issue. So anything to add? Okay, thanks everyone. All the best for your
సార్
future. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్ సార్,
Thank you very much, sir.
మీరు ఒకసారి ఏమైనా మీకు ఫ్రీ టైం ఉన్నప్పుడు మేము కాల్ చేస్తాను నేను. సో
Yes,
మాక్
yes,
టెస్ట్
you can
అలాంటివి
call
చేస్తారు
anytime.
సార్? అలాగే
Yeah,
సార్,
you can
మాక్
call.
టెస్ట్ నాకు చాలా రోజులు బ్రేక్ తర్వాత వచ్చింది కాబట్టి మాక్ టెస్ట్ ఒకసారి మీరు చేస్తే నేను ఐ విల్ అనలైజ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ వేర్ ఐఎమ్ స్టాండింగ్.
Yeah, sure. But I was very happy with that one, the way you are learning, okay, different technology with your experience. Once at 15 years crossed, right? Nobody will not be focusing on the technical. They will simply, okay, no. Already we got it. Let it be survived. But where you are learning, right? It was good. Once you are shifting the company also. After your current, you will get a more package. Okay, na more good role.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
So I'm also feel like same like you only. So I'm also whenever I have the free time learn something. So but teaching my fashion, so I'm teaching something. Okay, team.
I
Actually,
mean, teaching is your passion, sir.
Yeah.
that's why you are learning more, sir.
Yes, sir. By teaching, you are learning more and more day by day.
So any community group?
Yes, we'll follow the Insta only. See, normal group nobody will not reply. Community means we will never reply. The only it is increasing the groups. So that is the reason I'm not creating.
Okay.
Okay, team. So please be contact with me and refer your friends, colleague. Okay. So please ensure.
Sure.
And one more thing, whenever you are having openings, either fresher openings, experience openings, okay, in your team or your friends, just text me. So and so if I have openings, so and so email. Okay, I can able to refer more.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sure, definitely.
Okay, so I'm
Sure,
also
okay.
thinking to build an application, one app, this purpose. So we'll add all the students in that app. So we will dedicatedly use for the placement openings. Only for that one. So only working professionals. I just want to add, but I'm not getting a time to build that one. Okay. But I will build and I will inform you. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
tomorrow, for example, Padma wants to change, Krishna wants to change. There he or she can able to add. I'm looking for a change, and you can able to refer. Once you refer, you will also get a referral bonus. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that type of the thing. Okay, team. Thank you. So tomorrow onwards, don't think like sessions are completed. Use the same time to practice this React.
Yes.
Okay, build an application. Sometimes we are getting the freelancing projects also. So 2 days back, I got a project. He wants a web application, mobile application. He wants to integrate with a electronic vehicles. So he wants to uh, know the status of that vehicle. Got it? Status in the sense how it the working is going on. Okay, na? The level of the fuel, different things. Okay. So nothing but a digitalizing the features of electronic item. So their budget, they said like 7 lakhs. I told sir 7 lakhs. If I build that product web and mobile, including the electronic, we will get a more by self selling our product. But even we don't have any mobile developer, so that is the reason I'm not able to take. But he is only doing the freelancing. So he was joining the new batch. So he told me like that. He has almost 20 plus years of experience. He has his own products also. He also same interested to learn the React. Okay, team. That's it. Thank you. And a few webinars
you,
also
sir.
will be going on. At that time, I will inform in the Insta. Okay. So you already subscribed now.
Yes, sir.
So please text me. I will share you the links. Okay. So any
Okay.
different
Sure,
kind
sir.
of the webinars, definitely. So I just want to add. Okay, team.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.